process of deploying a model has gone from several days or even weeks down to around an hour. I'm Klaas Meinke. I lead the machine learning team here at Hadrian. We are a company that does AI-powered offensive security. So that means using AI to automate automated pen testing and continuous penetration testing using AI, 24/7 continuous in real time. So one of the main challenges we were facing before using Deeploy was actually that we saw that there was a big gap between data scientists and machine learning engineers, which means that the people developing the models and actually coming up with the new ways of finding findings were not the same people that could deploy those in our system. So the way that Deeploy helps us with those problems is that it actually provides a very easy interface for data scientists who build machine learning models, who build different AI solutions, to also deploy those solutions. And what that means is that it goes from a process of being several days with handoffs between different stakeholders in the organization to actually just being something that can take several hours. In order to make it more agile, we actually wanted a solution that would allow us to easily bridge that gap between data scientists and machine learning engineers. We heard of Deeploy, that it's a great up-and-coming startup here in the Netherlands, that their interface is really great, but also that they're a very future-facing organization, really staying on top of the ball with things like the EU AI Act, which is a very important thing, especially in our sector. For those reasons, we actually choose to go with Deeploy. So the most important result so far is actually that the process of deploying a model has gone from several days or even weeks down to around an hour. So we actually had recently a new machine learning model that was created and deployed with less than 2 hours of total time. So the impact of Deeploy on our AI strategy and our product as a whole is that it's made it a lot faster for us to deploy new models, also debug them and monitor them, but also as part of our broader AI strategy going into the future, that we are actually compliant with the AI Act, that we have easy observability of those different things, so that we stay compliant while also being quick and moving ahead quickly into the future. What I like most about using Deeploy's product is how well integrated it is into our machine learning ecosystem at Hadrian, that it's integrated with all the different pipelines that we have regarding machine learning, but also the great interface that it has and its ease of use. It's very easy to onboard many different users, even users that aren't part of the machine learning team. So other engineers, other product stakeholders can actually use the platform itself. Deeploy is very integral to our AI roadmap at Hadrian, specifically looking forward at things like the EU AI Act and also looking at our broader AI vision of being able to deploy many different AI use cases very quickly and being able to update those and move very quickly on that front. Both of those are supported by our work with Deeploy. The role Deeploy plays in the Responsible AI Act at Hadrian is actually through a couple different features such as monitoring, such as observability, such as tracing, which is recently introduced, but also different types of checklists, which actually enable us to make sure that we hit different compliance and internal compliance checklists as well. The way Deeploy helps us meet the growing requirements around transparency regarding our AI models is that it actually enables a lot of observability, also not only for experts, but also for others. And what it actually enables is that as we get more and more questions from different customers regarding especially transparency of our AI models, we actually have very easy documentation that's maintained internally, making sure that we have full transparency to our customers.